Okay, so it's finally time to taste my cooking from yesterday. Really looking forward to finding out what it tastes like. So the French beans turned out a little bit bland. Egg was awesome. Rice was good. The fish, I guess it could have used a bit more flavor. But overall, I think quite good. Not bad for first try. Okay, so it's the second day. It's dinner time, and I did not expect to have to cook dinner tonight, so I didn't prepare anything. Luckily, my wife left me some leftovers in the fridge, so I'm just going to cheat a little and eat it. But it's not going to be enough for dinner, so I'll have to whip up something quick for dinner tonight and also for lunch tomorrow. So I'm going to try out potato dishes next. So we have two meals here. This is going to be my lunch tomorrow and maybe a bit of dinner tonight, supper. So I've got a few potatoes, a bunch of garlic, and we've got these tiny onions, and I'm going to chop up some sausages. And over here we have some broccoli, potato and garlic for tomorrow's dinner, and I'm going to cook some rice to go with this. And I might put in an egg or another piece of sausage. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just clean up all the potatoes and I'll boil these guys. So while the potatoes were boiling, I had chopped up the broccoli, the garlic, and more garlic and the tiny onion. So this is going to be one dish with the sausages here, and that's going to be one dish with some rice. So I'm just going to put all of these all go into an oven. There we have it. That's going to be tomorrow's lunch. It's baked potatoes, sausages, onions, and garlic with salt and pepper, of course. And this will be dinner. Just broccoli and potatoes and garlic, and I'll eat it with rice. If you want to know what it tastes like, check out my next video. Bye!